Good morning. I wanted to share with you why I call it New Life Electronics. I love saving things. I love bringing life back to things. I love not throwing things out that have usefulness left in them. And so with electronics, I love to do what I can to get more life out of it. So many things are just chucked away, and I hate the idea of all the landfills being filled with things that could have been used by someone. And so just a little bit of time, a little bit of care, a little bit of knowledge to be able to make something useful. So many people don't have things, and if somehow I could be a conduit to take those things that other people are done with, they've moved on to something else, and if I could take those and help people who don't have access to those things, that just hits the spot for me. So that's why I call it New Life Electronics, because I want to take electronics that have plenty of life left in them if we just took a little care with them and get them in a spot where they could be used again and provide joy to people or usefulness to people. They're great tools. So that's why I call it New Life Electronics. Thanks for being a part. May you have a great day. Bye-bye.